Mhm.
So this is the simple data, not a complicated, simple sales data. And now I have applied the some pivots for summaries in this data. So first go to the
Mhm.
insert and apply here pivot and just press the OK. After OK, we got the C2 and another pivot. So last class we have
Mhm.
also discussed you. This is the fill and fill drop the four sections for the make the summary of the
Mhm.
data.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so I want to product by total sold quantity and also MRP and also stock and the return and the total store limit. Okay,
Mhm.
the store
Mhm.
by. So we drop the product here, the quantity,
Mhm.
the MRP, and now I want to change the calculation because I don't want to show the MRP of product. I want to I want to show total average of the MRP. Okay, average
Mhm.
of MRP. So just click here, go to the fill setting, and we have select the average. Got the average. Also the
Mhm.
stock, and also the return. Okay. And last
Mhm.
class we also told you we can change the figure here, just like product, product. Now here is the sold quantity. This is the rate. This is the stock and stock with a space, and this is the return. When you type the return, press the enter, got the error because return field already available here. So you have just give the space here, one space.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, you can got the result.
Mhm.
Now I want to
Mhm.
format my data. So last class also told you go to the when you click the pivot, you have got the two new fields. First, data analyze
Mhm.
data, pivot analyze,
Mhm.
and the second is the
Design.
design. In the design sections, lot of formatting you have applied. Just click and apply.
Mhm.
Quickly you can use apply. But you want to make the formatting the manual, you can also use this the manual features. Okay,
Mhm.
as per your like.
Mhm.
It is clear.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes. Yes.
I want to the matrix report. I want to matrix report. Matrix in the sense which product, how many quantity sold by which store store. Okay. So
Mhm.
we got the pivot and okay. Now we have put the product in the row sections and my stock in the column section. No, no, not a stock, a store.
Mhm.
Sorry, store in the column section and sold
Mhm.
quantity in the value. We got the result in
Mhm.
the matrix.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now some blanks here. Why blanks here? Because their product is not the day this city. So it's
Mhm.
like candy. Here is the meat. Meat is not sold in the Faridabad, the Hajipur, and these are locations. So I want to show here zero. So right click
Mhm.
here, go to the pivot table options, and put the zero here and press the Okay, you can see
Mhm. Mhm.
0 is so here.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
it's clear.
Yes, yes.
But I want to also the total amount. So when you put say rate and other thing, stock, other thing, when you put here, you got the your report will be very verticals, long the vertical.
Mhm.
Okay, long in
Mhm.
verticals. So I don't want to go to the long in verticals. So that time you can also use the report. This stored in the row section below of the product. So you can
Mhm.
see your product, city, and quantity MMR. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
You can also collapse and expand. Say collapse, expand. In the analyzed data, here the options collapse and expand. Collapse and expand. So we can see the
Mhm.
report product by. I want to detail which product in detail. Just click here. Show the report in detail.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. But you can use this feature when you send the report as a pivot table. But sometimes
Mhm.
we have make the pivot table that analyze the pivot table with different sheets, manual data, make the some different calculations. Okay,
Mhm.
so that time right, go to the design section, and this is the report layout, and we have just clicked the show in the tabular form. Show in the tabular.
Mhm.
Okay, so when you click the show the tabular form, you got the report, different column. Before this,
Mhm.
before this, all is the same column.
Mhm.
Okay, product and the city in the one same one column. So when you copy and paste the value somewhere, so you can't identify which is the product and which is the your city. So that
Mhm.
time I want to the separate column. So go to the pivot table design here. This is the features and
Mhm.
select here report layout and show select here tabular form. When you select the tabular form, the report will be shown here. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I want to continuous repeat here. So that time select the same report layout. So here repeat all item label. Repeat all item label. Sometimes we have need this subtotal. Sometimes don't need. So that time just click here and uncheck the subtotal. Sometimes no need to repeat. So we have do not repeat here. But I want to merge. I want to merge.
Mhm.
So that time, right click, go to the pivot table options, second last option here, right click, and
Mhm.
select the merge and center. When you merge and center, you got the merge. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Now I want to sort my data. So for the sorting, it's simple. Just right click here and sort. Sort smaller to largest and largest to smallest. Just sort the data. Just right click here and sort.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
You can sort also column by. If you data in your column. Say I put the store in the column. So right click here and sort. Okay,
Mhm.
just right click and sort. But this is the merge. So one second. Oh, sorry. Now we have just right click and sort. Sort vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. But we can also apply the pivot filter. So in the pivot table have a three filter features. First is the row filter. I want to mix the show only for some 2 and 3 product. So just click here and click the filter. Where apply, you can click this symbol, this is the filter symbol, and just uncheck the all or we have applied. Okay. You can also apply the column filter. This is the column filter symbol. Right click here, normal click, and we have selected some particular city. You can see the okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So we have the row and column filter, right? You can also apply the filter as per your requirement. Just like I want to value filter top 10, top 3 I want to show. Click here 3 and place the so top 3 only will
Mhm.
show.
Mhm.
Okay. Also value sections, top 10 and top 3 will show. Top 3 product show here. So this is the column filter. Now this is the page
Mhm.
filter. You can also apply the page filter. Page filter, it means this filter. Just I want to just report by monthly and quarter. So put the month, year and quarter monthly. I put the month. Okay. We select
Mhm.
year, it's like year 2024 and month is Jan. Click here, Jan. So only for Jan report will be shown. You can also page fill.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Now for the
Yes, yes.
filtration, we can also apply the slicer. Okay. With the slicers,
Mhm.
so pivot will analyze have a slicer. Click the slicer just like month and press open. You can show it. This is a slicer.
Mhm.
2024 Jan.
Mm.
Okay, understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
Today in this class, we discussed first the multiple calculations columns, formatting the
Mhm.
pivots, matrix in the
Mhm.
pivots, and also the
Mhm.
summaries, make the summary, beautiful summary like merge, repeat features. Okay, and now sorting filter also. Any
Mhm.
problem?
Mhm. No, no, no. No.
Okay. So also told you we have learned the pivot slowly. Okay. So slowly it means every class we discuss the some less topic.
Mhm.
So tomorrow we discuss about the pivot tables, grouping, calculations like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I share the